All right, here is the last set of notes for this test, and it's on word problems. Now I know that word problems usually cause everybody to groan about them, but it's really not bad for these. And again, these are practical applications. This is things that I have done in my life when I was trying to remodel my bathroom or fix up my backyard or whatever. So these are things that you could possibly be doing later on in life. Okay, so for all of these, the first thing you should do is probably draw a picture. It'll help. But Adam wants to fence in his backyard that measures 50 by 35. So again, this little one mark means feet. So if I was going to draw my rectangle, it would be 50 feet by 35 feet. And you don't have to draw it perfect. It doesn't have to look. If you had put the 35 up here and the 50 here, that's okay. All right, even though the 50 is really the longer side, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, but he wants to fence in his backyard. The fencing costs $7.50 per foot. How much will the fence cost? So first we have to think, well, if we're doing a fence, then that means it's going to go around the outside. So that means we should find the perimeter. So the perimeter is going to be 50 plus 50 plus 35 plus 35. Because perimeter is just the outside edge. So that when I add all that up, I get 170 feet. Now it says that the fencing is $7.50 per foot. So I'm just going to take that 170, multiply by 750, because that's how much it's going to cost, and I get $1,275. Pretty expensive fence there. But fences are expensive, so there you go. Okay, so that's it. That's my cost. Okay, so really the biggest issue with these problems is determining whether you should be finding perimeter or whether you should be finding area. So the next one here, Susie is going to wrap a ribbon around a picture frame that measures 10 by 12. So again, these little markings, 2 of them mean inches. So it's going to be 10 inches by 12 inches. The ribbon costs 35 cents per foot. How much will it cost Susie to wrap the ribbon around the picture frame 3 times? So you can do this one of 2 ways. The dimensions that they gave us are in inches, but the cost is in feet. So you can either change the cost to be per inch, or you could change the inches into feet. It's up to you. I'm going to change the inches into feet. So 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. 12 divided by 12 is 1. And then 10 divided by 12 is 0.83 repeating. Okay. So now, how much will it cost Susie to wrap the ribbon around the picture frame 3 times? So first, I'm going to add up all 4 sides. So 1 plus 1 plus 0.83 plus 0.83. Now again, don't just put 0.83 into your calculator when you're adding this up. Put a few 3's. So I would maybe make this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. At least 3. If you want to go to 4, that's fine, but you need to put in at least 3 of them. So that's going to give me 3.6666. Okay? So now that's just around once. Notice that they want it 3 times. So I'm going to multiply this by 3. So that's going to give me 10.9998. So now that's how much ribbon I need. And now I'm just going to multiply this by 35 cents. Now, we are going to round to 2 decimal places here, only because it's money. So it's going to be $3.85. So we're not going to make it $3.90 because we certainly don't want to round up and pay more. So just leave it as $3.85 as your total there. All right, so Sarah is going to paint a wall outside her house that measures 25 by 15. Each can of paint covers 65 square feet and costs $5.75 each. Okay, so how much money will she need? Well, so here's my wall. She's going, well, not my wall, Sarah's wall. She's going to repaint, and remember, 1 mark means feet. So it's going to be 25 by 15. Now, this is area because we're painting it, so she wants to cover the whole thing. So it's no longer the outside edge, it's the entire thing. So we're going to find the area. So 25 times 15 gives me 375 square feet. Now, I'm not going to take that times $5.75. I need to figure out how many cans of paint I need first. So if I divide by 65, because that's how much each can covers, I get 5.769. Now, I can't go to Walmart or to Sherwin-Williams and say, hey, I need 5.7 cans of paint. No, we're going to have to round this up to 6 cans. You'll have some left over, but that's always the case with painting. You always have some left over. So 6 cans times $5.75 gives you a total of $34.50. Okay, so now we're buying some carpet. So Henry is putting new carpet in his basement, 50 feet by 31 feet. Okay, so again, carpet is not around the outside edge. Carpet covers everything. So we're going to find the area. So 50 by 31 is going to be 1,550 square feet. Now this time the carpet costs $6.25 per square foot. So I don't have to figure out how many cans of paint or anything like I did last time. I'm just going to take this square footage times $6.25. And that gives me a total of $9,687.50. That's expensive carpet. But that's a big basement too. 50 by 31, that's a really big basement. Okay, so there you go. Again, the main thing here is to determine whether you need area or perimeter for what you're finding. Now in this problem, this next one with Alice, you're actually going to need both. Okay, so I'm not going to draw the rectangle really big because I need all the room for this problem, but I'll just draw it little up here. 50 by 26. Okay, now she's going to fence in her backyard and plant grass. So the fence will go around the outside, that will be perimeter, but planting the grass, she wants to cover the whole thing, so that's going to be area. So we have 2 different things going on here. So we'll worry about perimeter first, because that's the fencing. Okay, so when I find the perimeter, that'll be 50 plus 50 plus 26 plus 26. So that's going to be 152 feet. And now the fencing costs $3.50 per foot. So 152 times $3.50 gives me a total of $532. That's just for the fencing. Now, for the grass, I'm going to find the area. So that's 50 by 26. It's going to give me 1,300 feet. Square feet, excuse me. Okay. Now again, just like the cans of paint, I have to figure out how many bags of grass seed I need. So I'm going to take 1,300 divided by 250, and that gives me 5.2, which again, we can't just go into Walmart and say I need 5.2 bags of grass seed. Okay, that's going to have to be 6 bags. So 6 bags times $5 a bag is 30 bucks. So the total is going to be $532 for the fencing and $30 for the grass seed. Gives you a total of $562. Okay? So again, draw your picture first, figure out whether you need to be finding area or perimeter, and then really just multiply by the cost to find the cost of it. If you have any questions on this, you can watch the video again or feel free to ask me any questions.